Hi, this is Scott from Champion True Value with another expert hardware tip. Today, we're going to talk about kitchen cabinets. We sell cabinets from a company called Wolf that has two different lines available. The first one is a really budget-friendly line. It's available in four different colors, and I can get them in 2 weeks or less. And these cabinets are not ones where we hand them to you in box and say, okay, you have to go home and build these things. They are fully assembled in boxes. So then we go to the Wolf Classic line. What separates this from this is it has a plywood side, it has dovetail drawers, it has soft close, and it has 3/4 inch shelves. A lot of features of really more expensive cabinetry, but at a great price point. Once again, 2 weeks or less on these. And the gray kitchen right behind me here is done in that Wolf Classic line. We also can do them in a white, which is probably my best seller in this white shaker line at the present time. So how do you proceed from there? Well, I'm happy to work with the do-it-yourselfers that want to install this yourself. Bring me some pictures on your phone. Get me as many measurements as you can. I'll lay it out and give you a price, while you're here at the store. Or if you just want to come in and pick out a cabinet style and say, "Oh, I like this one or this one," I'll write all the information down. We have a local contractor we work with who will give you a free estimate on the labor, and he'll bring me the measurements and I can price the cabinet for you. So it's a real simple and easy way to get pricing on your kitchen or even your bathroom cabinets as well. So when you're ready to do your kitchen, come to Champion True Value at the corner of Champion Forest and Loetta, and we'd be happy to give you pricing on your next home improvement project.